Flat bench barbell press. 3 to 4 sets times 6 to 10 reps. Weight according to your strength. Targets the chest, pectoralis major, front shoulders, and triceps. Builds upper body strength, muscle size, and pressing power, while improving overall chest thickness and stability.
Next exercise.
Incline bench barbell press. 4 sets times 6 to 10 reps. Weight according to your strength. Targets the upper chest, clavicular pecs, front deltoids, and triceps. Builds upper chest thickness, shoulder stability, and pressing strength, improving chest shape and overall pushing power.
Next exercise.
Decline bench dumbbell press. Sets 3 to 4, reps 8 to 12. Weight according to your strength. Targets lower chest, triceps, and shoulders, building thickness, strength, and pressing power, while reducing shoulder strain compared to flat presses and improving chest definition for balanced aesthetics and athletic performance.
Next exercise.
Cable standing fly. 3 to 4 sets times 10 to 15 reps. Weight according to your strength. Targets the inner and outer chest, pectoralis major, improving chest definition, muscle activation, and mind-muscle connection, while maintaining constant tension throughout the movement.
Next exercise.
Dumbbell Decline Fly. 3 to 4 sets times 10 to 15 reps. Weight according to your strength. Targets the lower chest, inner and outer fibers, while engaging shoulders and stabilizers. Improves chest thickness, muscle separation, stretch, mind-muscle connection, and overall pec definition.
Next exercise.
Dumbbell squeeze bench press. 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps, and weight according to your strength. Targets inner chest and triceps by maintaining constant adduction, increasing muscle activation, improving chest definition, mind-muscle connection, pressing strength, and shoulder stability, while reducing joint stress during flat bench presses.